Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a lot of things. We have a lot of news, a lot of important news. We're also going to touch Bitcoin and Ethereum's price to make a bit of a price projection, and also Elrond, because something is preparing, something is in the air, and I am just waiting minute by minute to see Elrond break out. And before I forget, please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like the content. It would help me a lot and it doesn't really cost you anything. Okay, let's start with the market analysis or market check, as we do usually. As you can see, Bitcoin and Ethereum is increasing pretty hard, 16 and 10% on the last 7 days, and I'm gonna show you just a second why this is happening. But before we go there, let's see who are the big winners. Chili's continuing, Near Protocol, Luna, Decentraland, Quant, Swissborg, and Pancake. You see, I told you yesterday that I have hope in Pancake, and I don't think that it's a dumb business. I think Pancake is gonna be a very good coin. Big losers. Well, we don't really have big losers. I mean, Voyager token with 4.9%, and that's all. We don't have big losers, and that could mean that we are just starting another big run for altcoins, which means that you must take profits. Don't wait for the peak of the run, okay? Because you will not catch it. So I'm gonna just throw it here. If you are waiting for this, you will not catch it, okay? You will take profit somewhere here because you will think that everything is a consolidation, because it doesn't go like this. It go like this, and then go back and up and up and up and up and up and up. And when you just get to the point where you realize that this is already the bear market, not a bull market, it will be somewhere here. That's where you're gonna take profit, okay? But instead, if you take here some, here some, here some, here some, and here some, then you will work out a pretty good average. So just make sure that that you take profit all the time. Let's go forward and let's get to the news. Bitcoin has bought the dip as orders for 100k or more hit all-time highs. So this is about the volume, okay? And this is about the big volumes, 100k, 1 million, 10 million, 50 million, so on. And I think this is a very good indicator. As you can see, these lines here, these are the indicator lines where the big volumes are bought, and this is not in one day or something. This is like 1 hour or 1 minute, so it's like one big purchase, okay? And so are these big purchases. You can see in volume like this purchases of $5,000 or $10,000. You can only see like at least 100,000, which is a small one. Okay, so big whales are buying, and that is very good. Next, new news. Major Swiss retailers set to debut Bitcoin gift cards. Very interesting. I really like it, to be honest. They are gonna give out Bitcoin gift cards. It's gonna be like Amazon gift card, which is like $50, $100, whatever. But this is a very good news because it shows that yeah, we are evolving, and Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is getting part of our everyday life. And when I say everyday life, don't think that the big money is coming only when people are investing hundreds of millions of dollars. No, big money means that something becomes part of our lives. Small things from which we have millions of pieces, like the gift card, okay? Because the gift card will be bought by 1 million people, $50 worth of Bitcoin each. That is $50 million worth of Bitcoin, which is already a big volume, okay? So let's go forward. Bitcoin price cracks major resistance as analyst says 7k destiny. I'm gonna talk a bit about that, but right now everybody says that 70k is the next stop. We will get to that in 1 minute, but before that I have a last news which is very good, and it could be an opportunity for you as well, and that is Ethereum. Software firm made to buys $22 million worth of Ethereum. And it's a Hong Kong based software company, but that's not the point. The point is that companies started to realize that yes, Bitcoin is the most stable, Bitcoin is good, but Bitcoin doesn't have in a short term a big increase opportunity, okay? It will not go and do 5x or 10x. Therefore, companies will check another coin which is very stable, has a high market cap, and it has a big opportunity in it, okay? It has potential to grow. And that is Ethereum, second in the list, because Ethereum still has a lot of room to grow. And if I just go back to the cryptocurrency and we check Bitcoin and Ethereum's market cap, you can see right here that Bitcoin has 1 trillion, while Ethereum has 200 billion. So Ethereum is 5 times smaller than Bitcoin. And why this is important? This is important because there is a very small chance that in a short period of time, like this year, Bitcoin grows 5x, okay? But there is a fair chance that Ethereum will. Therefore, companies maybe will invest in Ethereum and have this growth. Okay, so keep an eye on that. I'm not advising anyone to buy Ethereum, but if you are planning to diversify your portfolio, Ethereum is a very good choice and one of the most stable coins. Elrond is very busy. Elrond, they are working, they are posting everything, they have new alliances, they included e-money, and right now you can switch Elrond to euros on Binance. How good is that? That means because until now when you sent your Elrond from Elrond wallet to Binance, from Binance you had to switch it to Binance coin or to Bitcoin, and then from there to your fiat currency. Not anymore. You can switch from Elrond to euro, and that is just very good. I am waiting for Binance to solve the Revolut problem, and I can just use my Revolut app to upload euros or to withdraw euros directly to my Revolut, and that would be the best. Even better will be when you just put some fiat currency on Maiar and switch to Elrond and back. That will be even better. But yeah, it's a development. We have to wait for that. Until then, we solve it somehow. But the future is bright. There is this unofficial roadmap. It's very, very good. Stable coins, NFTs, we are here somewhere. So I'm just thinking that yes, there is a big potential in Elrond, and just seeing that it has a 3 billion market cap comparing to Ethereum, which has 200, or Bitcoin, which has 1 trillion, we have plenty of space to grow, plenty of opportunity. So I think holding Elrond is a very good choice or idea. Let's go on and check Bitcoin price, okay? Because I told you that I'm gonna give you some price projection, and that is gonna be for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Elrond. So right now, as we can see, it's not confirmed yet, but this W, which I mentioned yesterday, it seems to be forming. And if it does confirm, that would mean that the next price target will be somewhere at around $78,000, and the road to $78,000, it's gonna look something like that. Probably it will go up here. It confirms, goes a bit, goes up to 70 and stays a bit. While it stays here and here, altcoins will rise. Altcoins will just pump, because usually altcoins pump when Bitcoin goes sideways, okay? And yes, sometimes Bitcoin also pulls the altcoins, but that is in the case when Bitcoin pulls Ethereum and Ethereum pulls the other altcoins, because Ethereum is the biggest altcoin. So let's go and check Ethereum. Ethereum shows the same thing. If I'm gonna draw here this W, you can see that we have a bit more to grow until the confirmation line, but it's near, because the $2,000 all-time high is not that far away. It's another 10%, something like that. So I believe that this will be the same as for Bitcoin. Let's go forward to Elrond. Elrond is really just preparing to shoot out. This is what I see for some time now, because after we created this W here, I really thought that it's gonna go up. And I told you in my other video that we are gonna spend some time here, then we're gonna go back up there, spend some time there, and go to the projected price. Right now, with this very lateral or sideways moving, I think this is a point where something is gonna happen. We are waiting for something to happen. That can be a Bitcoin confirmation, a big volume appearing, somebody buys a lot of Elrond. And why I think it's possible? Well, I think it's possible because from this chart it's quite visible that if the altcoin season is not over yet, right, and another month is coming where altcoin is gonna pump, Elrond is not gonna drop, right, because it's not gonna go lower. Therefore, if somebody wants to buy, they are going to buy somewhere here. They are going to buy somewhere here, and they will just help us to pass this resistance area and go shoot for the all-time high again. This is what I think. And when this will happen, I think that it is crucial for this week to hold, for Bitcoin and Ethereum to grow, to further grow, and at the point where Bitcoin and Ethereum will just stop growing, like one day, go just a bit of sideways or go just in a bit of compensation, then will be the time when altcoins will pump and Elrond also break out of this resistance line. This is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna let in the description another link, which is a blockchain social media. It's something like Twitter or Facebook or YouTube. Feel free to sign up there. You can sign up with your Facebook account or whatever, and let's just form this new community where we are operating on the blockchain. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.